Now that we have a token, let's go ahead and create a namespace. Namespace on CMS is important to avoid name conflicts when defining data models, so we strongly recommend you do create a namespace and use it when creating a trait or file type. In this example, I've already created the namespace, so in this case, CMS will indicate the namespaces should be unique. Now, using this namespace, let's use it to create a trait. Keep in mind, a trait has attributes and a name, but most importantly, attributes. In this example here, one of the attributes is the approved by attribute, a string, and a validator, which in this case shows that the attribute must have at least one character and where the maximum size is 100. Moving forward, we have the approved role, another string field, and an approved date. If you want to check all the data types and support for attributes, please refer to our documentation posted on OpenText Developer. So let's now fire all these requests, and we should get a response with a new created trait. And that's how you create namespaces and traits in CMS.